Hello, hello. Hi, hi, and welcome back to ITP with me, Dave D. And this video is the promised RTX texturing with Paint.net, the free application, graphics manipulation application. So have a watch and let me know if you have any problems. Okay, cheers. Right, so we are back to our base texture of the Lapsus block, base block with no textures. As you can see. So the next thing we want to do, or the first thing we want to do, is open up Paint.net and then create a new document on the 1024 by 1024 sizing and the 72 pixel PPI. Then we need to set up the layers in the same order: the metallic, emissive and roughness, and I'm naming them with the RGB at the end so it's easier to just remember which one's which. Now the trick here is in the blending mode in each layer, you need to change that to difference, and I do it on all three layers just because you'd probably only need to do it for the first two, but hey, all three works just as well. And then again you can delete the base layer. Okay, so let's continue on here. So this time I am going for not such a metallic texture, and so for each layer just work in the color for that layer. So in the red layer, keep the green and the blue at 0, and then just adjust the texture, the red for the texture that you want. Remembering that for the metallic map, white or 255, so fully red is fully metallic, and 0 black is non-metallic. So I'm going for quite a non-metallic one here. And then the emissive is again black because I don't want it to be emissive. And then the roughness I am going for a very smooth, fully smooth block. And enabling all the layers again shows it as this color. So before I would do anything, I would save the raw Paint.net file, which will have all the layers set up correctly, because in the next step, when you save the PNG file, it asks you if you want to flatten the file, and of course you have to flatten the file. One of the differences between PaintShop Pro, PhotoShop Pro, what is that? That's a blast from the past. One of the differences between working with Paint.net and Photoshop is when you save the files in Photoshop, it retains all the layer information. It doesn't flatten the image as you save it. So after you've saved the PNG file, let's have a look. and it looks something like that. So no texture. And back to the texture we've created in paint.net. Okay, so let's just get a little bit more complicated here. So back into paint.net, and without reloading the PDN file, we just undo the changes for the save file. That brings back all the layers. And this is actually one good thing about paint.net over Photoshop. It's easier to draw and rotate the graphics. So we just add this bit in, and I'm choosing this to be fully metallic. So we've got a non-metallic outer and a fully metallic diamond on the inside. So we save that, overriding our current texture file. And that looks like that. Okay, so let's have a bit of a play with the roughness layer. Again, undo the changes for the flattening, working only in the blue, and some roughness patches. And enabling all the layers, you can see how the top red filters down across the top of the blue, and we save that. And then have a look at the resulting block. We have a quick play with emissive, and I'm pretty sure we'll find out that we'll get the same results as we did with the Photoshop texture, where emissive just doesn't seem to work as it should. Let's have a look here, and there you go. Seems to be broken. In fact, with emissive turned on, it tends to block out anything else, all the layers below it. And there you have it, texturing the RTX ray tracing textures in Minecraft with paint.net. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you'll see me next time. Like and subscribe, and see you later. Okay, cheers, bye.